Japanese monks maintained incredible physical strength well into their 80s without touching modern protein powders. They relied on a specific nutritional system that modern science has finally decoded. You have been told that muscle loss is just an unavoidable part of getting older. That is a complete biological lie. Your muscles are simply starved of the precise ancestral compounds required to maintain youthful density. Clinical researchers have proven that these ancient foods command your aging body to rebuild skeletal tissue. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what your hardest physical challenge is right now. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your situation. Now let us go back in time to fix your health, starting with number 5. Number 5. The mineral leaf, dried wakame seaweed. We start with a pantry staple that solves one of the most persistent and painful problems for active seniors. You might know seaweed only as the sugary, bright green salad served at sushi restaurants, but that is not the food that builds Japanese longevity. We are talking about dried wakame, a dark green sea vegetable that comes in dehydrated flakes and expands to 10 times its size in water. Most seniors in the West suffer from a silent deficiency that undermines their strength and causes their muscles to lock up in painful spasms, especially at night. That deficiency is magnesium. Your muscles require calcium to contract, but they absolutely require magnesium to relax and reset for the next movement. Without enough magnesium, your muscle fibers remain in a semi-contracted state, leading to stiffness, cramps, and a feeling of heavy fatigue that makes exercise feel impossible. Researchers from Tohoku University School of Medicine analyzed the diets of older adults and found a clear correlation between magnesium intake and functional performance. The study revealed that seniors with higher magnesium levels had better grip strength and faster walking speeds because their neuromuscular transmission was working efficiently. Wakame is one of the most potent plant-based sources of bioavailable magnesium on the planet. Just 1 teaspoon of these dried flakes contains a concentrated dose of the electrolytes your muscles are screaming for. This is not about eating a giant bowl of salad. It is about using wakame as a functional garnish that dissolves effortlessly into your diet. Japanese seniors add a pinch of these flakes to their morning miso soup, where the hot broth rehydrates the leaves instantly. The magnesium leaches into the soup, creating a mineral-rich tonic that primes their muscles for the day ahead. It ensures that when they move, their muscles fire cleanly and relax fully. To get this benefit, buy a bag of dried wakame flakes at any Asian grocer or online. Add 1 teaspoon to any soup, broth, or stew you are eating. It has a mild, savory flavor that blends with almost anything. This simple habit restores the electrolyte balance that your aging body struggles to maintain. But once your muscles are primed to move, you need to fuel them with the right building blocks. Number 4. The anabolic snack, steamed edamame. This next food challenges the way most seniors think about snacking and protein. In the West, when you get hungry between meals, you might reach for crackers, a piece of toast, or a sweet treat. These foods spike your blood sugar and offer absolutely nothing to your muscle tissue. In Japan, the go-to snack for seniors is edamame, young green soybeans served in the pod or shelled. But you need to stop thinking of this as a vegetable and start thinking of it as a high-performance medical tool. Most plant proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more of the essential amino acids your body needs to build tissue. Specifically, they often lack methionine, which acts as the starter key for protein synthesis. Edamame is different. It is a complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids in a perfect ratio for human absorption. But here is the medical reality that makes it so critical for seniors. Edamame is exceptionally rich in leucine. Leucine is the primary amino acid that triggers the mTOR pathway, the biological switch that tells your body to start building muscle. As you age, your muscles become resistant to this signal, a condition called anabolic resistance. You need a much louder signal, more leucine, to get the same result you got when you were 30. Researchers at the National Center for Global Health and Medicine in Tokyo analyzed protein intake in elderly Japanese populations. They found that those who consumed vegetable proteins rich in these specific amino acids maintained significantly higher muscle mass than those who relied on lower quality sources. For a senior who struggles to chew tough steak or digest heavy pork, edamame is a miracle. It is soft, easy to digest, and provides a bolus of high-quality protein that enters your system rapidly. To use this, buy a bag of frozen shelled edamame. Steam or boil a half-cup portion and sprinkle it with a little sea salt. Eat this as your mid-afternoon snack instead of chips or cookies. By doing this, you are keeping your amino acid pool topped up, ensuring your body never has to break down your existing muscle to get the fuel it needs. This snack protects your lean mass. But sometimes you need a protein source that is even more concentrated and easier to store. Number 3. The protein sponge, freeze-dried tofu/koya tofu. We move now to a food that was invented by monks centuries ago to survive harsh winters, and it remains a secret weapon for senior strength today. You know regular tofu is a soft white block packed in water, but there is another version called koya tofu, or freeze-dried tofu, that is biologically superior for the aging body. The freeze-drying process removes all the water weight, leaving behind a dense, sponge-like brick that is incredibly concentrated. While regular tofu is mostly water, koya tofu is nearly 50% protein by weight. This addresses a major hurdle for seniors known as the anorexia of aging. As you get older, your appetite naturally decreases, and your stomach capacity shrinks. You physically cannot eat the volume of food required to hit your protein targets if you are eating low-density foods. Koya tofu solves the volume problem by packing a massive amount of nutrition into a tiny square. Research from the Kyoto University Graduate School of Agriculture investigated the physiological effects of this specific protein. They found that the proteins in freeze-dried tofu were highly effective at promoting muscle hypertrophy and improving lipid metabolism. Because the structure of the tofu is porous, like a sponge, it is highly digestible. It does not sit heavy in the stomach like a piece of red meat might. It also contains high levels of iron and calcium, two minerals that are often stripped from the bones and blood of seniors. When you cook koya tofu, it acts like a flavor magnet. You rehydrate it in a broth, chicken, vegetable, or dashi, and it soaks up that liquid, becoming juicy and savory. You get the flavor of a rich stew with the protein density of a supplement, all in a few bites. To replicate this, look for freeze-dried tofu in the Asian section of your supermarket. Simmer 2 or 3 squares in your favorite broth for 10 minutes until they are soft and saturated. Eat them alongside your vegetables. This is arguably the most efficient protein per bite food in the Japanese pantry. It allows you to hit your nutritional goals even on days when you do not feel hungry, but building muscle is useless if your body is constantly breaking it down due to inflammation. Number 2, the inflammation eraser, canned mackerel/saba. This next food targets the silent killer of senior strength that most people ignore. It is a concept doctors call inflammaging, chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates with age. When your body is inflamed, it releases cytokines that signal your muscles to break down. It is like trying to build a house while someone else is stealing the bricks. You can eat all the protein you want, but if you do not stop the inflammation, you are fighting a losing battle. The Japanese solution to this is saba, or Pacific mackerel, specifically the canned variety found in almost every kitchen cupboard in Tokyo. While Western seniors often eat tuna, which is lean, Japanese seniors prioritize blue fish, like mackerel, because of their fat content. But this is not the fat that clogs your arteries. This is a potent dose of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are the fire extinguishers of the human body. A systematic review from Jichi Medical University analyzed the link between omega-3 fatty acids and sarcopenia. The researchers found that these specific fats sensitize aging muscle cells to protein. They effectively clean up the cellular noise caused by inflammation, allowing your muscles to respond to the food you eat. Without omega-3s, your muscles become deaf to the anabolic signals of protein. With them, your anabolic potential is restored. Canned mackerel is superior to fresh fillets for seniors for one specific reason: the bones. The canning process softens the spinal bones of the fish until they are completely edible. When you eat the fish, you eat the bones, providing a massive influx of calcium to support muscle contraction. This is a food that acts as a multiplier. It makes every other healthy choice you make more effective. To use this, buy high-quality canned mackerel packed in water or brine. Drain it and mix it with a little vinegar and soy sauce, or flake it over a salad. Aim to eat this 2 to 3 times a week. It is an inexpensive way to change your internal chemistry from a state of breakdown to a state of buildup. But for the ultimate physical integrity, we must look to the most potent food of all. Number 1. The bone-muscle bridge, natto. We have arrived at the single most powerful food for structural longevity, and it is also the most controversial. Natto is fermented soybeans, known for its sticky, stringy texture and pungent aroma. Many Westerners are put off by the smell, but you need to understand what is hiding inside that sticky coating. Natto is the highest dietary source of vitamin K2, specifically in the form of menaquinone 7, in the world. This is the missing link in senior health. You have likely been told to take calcium for your bones, but calcium is dangerous if it doesn't know where to go. Without guidance, calcium can end up calcifying your arteries and stiffening your muscles. Vitamin K2 is the traffic cop. It activates a protein called osteocalcin, which grabs calcium from your bloodstream and binds it directly into your bone matrix. A landmark study from the University of Tokyo Department of Geriatric Medicine found a significant association between habitual natto consumption and higher bone mineral density in elderly Japanese men and women. But here is why this matters for your muscles. New science suggests a phenomenon called bone-muscle crosstalk. Your skeleton is not just a coat rack for your muscles, it is an active organ. Strong, healthy bones release signaling molecules that help maintain muscle mass. If your bones become brittle, your muscles waste away because the anchor is failing. By fortifying your skeleton with natto, you create the stable foundation required for strong muscles to pull against. This synergy is why Japanese seniors can fall and not break a hip, and why they can stand tall into their 90s. To eat this, you can buy small styrofoam packs of natto at Asian markets. It typically comes with a packet of mustard and soy sauce. Mix them in and stir the beans vigorously for 1 minute. The stirring activates the beneficial compounds and creates the signature texture. Eat 1 small pack a day, perhaps over rice or mixed with green onions to mask the taste. If you can learn to tolerate the texture, you are ingesting a biological tool that has no pharmaceutical equal. It builds the bridge between your bones and your muscles, ensuring that your body remains a single, integrated unit of strength. These 5 foods are not magic tricks. They are the nutritional pillars of a culture that respects the aging body enough to fuel it correctly. The mineral leaf prevents the cramps that stop you from moving. The anabolic snack keeps your protein synthesis turned on. The protein sponge overcomes your limited appetite. The inflammation eraser stops the breakdown of your hard-earned tissue, and the bone muscle bridge secures your foundation. You do not have to accept weakness as your new normal. You have the power to introduce these potent signals into your body starting today. Most of these items cost less than $1 per serving, proving that health is not about wealth, but about wisdom. Your body is waiting for the resources it needs to rebuild. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 5 Japanese foods are you willing to try first? Are you brave enough to try the natto, or will you start with the savory wakame? Share with us your thoughts and your commitment in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.